Prepare the required accessories and tools, and at least 3 people must be involved in the installation process. And wear safety protective gear. Add counterweight. Open the rear cover of the box and place the counterweight. Cover it and screw in place. Install the column. Erect the column with the high side facing forward. Use bolts to secure the posts. Install the rear pull rod. Install the extension arm. This step requires scaffolding for installation. First, connect the extension arm to the column. Then, the rear pull rod is connected and fixed with the rear end of the extension arm. Install the support rod. Note that the support rod does not distinguish between upper and lower ends. Assemble the backboard. 1. Install the backboard connection plate. 2. Install the basket and locking support. Insert 2 bolts from the outside of the backboard through the top 2 holes. The correct installation direction of the locking support is shown in the picture. Be careful not to tighten the screws completely. 3. Push out bolts for easy hanging of the basket. Use the remaining 2 bolts to secure the basket. Mount the backboard. 1. Install the rear pull rod for the backboard. Remove the rear tie rod fastener. Install backboard rear pull rod, and please note the installation direction. 2. Connect the rear pull rod to the backboard connection plate. 3. Lift the backboard and clamp the locking support on the corresponding position of the extension arm. Screw on the bolt for fixing. Backboard level calibration. 1. Backboard perpendicularity calibration. Make the backboard perpendicular to the ground by adjusting the front and rear position of the backboard pull rod. Or adjust by adjusting the fine nut on the back pull rod of the backboard. 2. Horizontal calibration of backboard. Observe the level and hold the backboard to the horizontal position. Tighten the bolts on the locking support after the backboard is level. 3. Basket level calibration. Place the level on the basket, observe the level, and adjust the basket to level. After adjusting the level of the basket, tighten the screws to secure it. 4. Close the basket cover. Basket height adjustment. Use a tape measure to measure the vertical height of the basket, from the top edge to the floor. If the height of the basket is not equal to 3.05 meters, it is necessary to loosen the support rod first. Then adjust the screw at the lower end of the back pull rod. Turn clockwise to raise the height of the basket. Screw counterclockwise to lower the height of the basket. Measure the basket height again to see if it is 3.05 meters. Tighten all screws if height is correct. Install the sheath. Finally, align the slot on the column and install the sheath on it. Installation complete.
Xiangmeng Sports.